right, everybody, a little short update. I've got another longer video touching on some things coming up real soon. Cruise update for 2019, February 17th, Carnival Dream. We are staying, my wife and I, my sister-in-law and my daughter, we're staying at the Marriott in Metairie, Louisiana. We booked it through hotels.com and got a pretty good rate. We did not pay for it. You know what I'm saying? So you can book it without paying for the whole thing. So just to kind of reserve your room and reserve your rate. That's the most important thing. To reserve your room and your rate. You gotta think this is Mardi Gras season in February. So if you book it now, you'll probably save yourself probably $100 at least. I would say at least you're saving $100. So do it to hotels.com. Metairie, Louisiana, Marriott. We stayed at that one before. It's a little pricey, but it is vacation, okay? And the room is not so much as pricey as everything that goes along with it. Parking, food, and all that kind of stuff. So like if you're flying in or whatever, you don't really have to worry about the parking. So anyways, give me a shout on Facebook or on here or whatever. Email ke5wdpike@hotmail.com. And that's it, man. I will do a video coming up. I know I saw someone talk about what to expect on their first cruise. I'm going to touch on that in my next video when I get a little bit of time. But for now, that's all I got. Hey, we'll talk to you guys later. 73.